Hi guys, today I would like to give some important tips for product designing if you are appearing for design entrance exams like NID, NIFT or CEED, MIT or any kind of bachelor or master design exam. So if any product design question comes where you need to create a kid's toy or you need to make a bag for a working woman or you need to create a tap design for an artist or any kind of product or fashion or lifestyle which is available around you, always understand that whenever you are product designing you try to do a design process, which means you follow some kind of process. The first is to have a design brief, which means understand your user, understand who you are making the product for, what is the characteristics of your user, what does your user like. Second thing you should move on to is to research and ideation of form, understand the scenario of the whole product that you are creating, the problems in the product that you want to solve which are already existing, or you want to completely redesign the product is what you need to think of. Once you have done your research and brainstorming, start moving to form development where you take inspiration. If it's for a child, how the form should be. If it's for a girl, how the form should be. Are you inspiring yourself from nature to make the form? So do a lot of form development where your product starts looking unique and starts looking different than the other design aspirants who are making it. And once your form is selected, do the final sketch, try to show the front view, side view, top view, try to show the zoom in view of the product, try to show its functions, color it properly, understand the material you are using in the product. And this way I think your whole product designing in short will be really good and you can fetch a lot of marks. I will also show a lot of product sketches that we do in our classes. If you want to learn with us, be it product designing, graphic designing, UI UX, any kind of things that can help you for the exam, please reach out to me on the below number and I would love to help you out. Bye bye.